Hey everybody, how you doing? It's Jeffrey. I'm here to show you the GoPro Fusion record limit. So I wanted to test how long the battery lasts and how long actually 64GB cards last. So on this first test, I turned off the Wi-Fi, I turned off the GPS, and left the LCD at 10%. And at an hour and 16 minutes, the GoPro turned itself off because it was too hot. So I went ahead and let it cool off, took out the battery, replaced it with another battery, and then I turned on the GPS. This time it lasted an hour and 4 minutes before it got too hot and turned itself off. So I lost 12 minutes just by turning on the GPS. So I let the camera cool down again, put in a new battery, and turned on the Wi-Fi this time. So with the GPS on, the Wi-Fi on, and the LCD at 10%, I went ahead and let it ran, and it went for an hour and 9 minutes before it got hot. So that's very interesting. For some reason, when I ran it with just the GPS on and the Wi-Fi off, it ran for an hour and 4 minutes. But with the Wi-Fi on and the GPS on, it ran for an hour and 9 minutes. At this point, I wanted to know if I left the GoPro plugged in, would it also overheat, or would I be able to fill up my 64GB cards? So as soon as I plugged it in and I pressed the record button, the little symbol of the charging turned off, which didn't make any sense to me. Why would it turn off once I start recording? It had 38% battery when I had it plugged in, so I went ahead and just left it recording to see, is it still charging or not? And after an hour and 58 minutes, it filled up my 64GB cards. I went ahead and formatted the cards, and then I wanted to see if I could still record when the battery's not in. So I pressed the record button, took out the batteries, and everything still worked. So if your GoPro's overheating after doing it for a long time, and you can have it plugged in, try to take out the battery. That way more air can circulate inside, cooling down your GoPro. If you like that video, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. And if you want to see more tests on the GoPro Fusion, hit that subscribe button. Hope you guys have a great day.